night's over, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love.
So just arrived at Old Trafford for Manchester United versus Wolverhampton Wanderers. Going to be in the box today, care of Genting. Thanks ever so much for Genting. So make sure you follow. Going to be an interesting day. Going to come back with the team news and our score prediction ahead of the game. Just outside of the Alex Ferguson stands with good friend Craig and Simon. We've just found out we've got a little bit of history going back many, many years. Craig, good to be here. Nice, lovely day. What's your score prediction?
My prediction today is 2-1 to Wolves, Dave.
Who's scoring?
Yeah, I think they're going to see Costa score and Neto if he's playing.
I hope he doesn't score.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're about an hour and a half out from the team being out. Simon, good to meet you.
Dave,
what's your thoughts?
Well, I don't know much about either team actually at the moment, so I'm going to go. I think looking at the record, I'm going to go draw. I'm probably going to go. I don't know whether 2-2 or 1-1, but I'm going to go draw.
A point. We'd take a point, wouldn't we?
We certainly would, absolutely.
Fantastic. Always Wolves.
Always Wolves.
Going every day, I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Had our starter actually, and we're literally about 50 minutes out from kickoff. Massive thanks to Genting for the invitation to be here. Enjoying an away day with a little bit of difference. We'll show you the food and stuff like that. Anyway, the team news is out. The main change is that Bentley is in for Sarr and Jimenez is actually on the bench. The full team is four at the back. You can hear the build up in the background there. So we've got Kilman, Dawson, Semedo, Totti, Neves, Nunes, Lamina, up front Costa, Cunha and Pedro Neto. I'm going to go with my pre-match, say a draw. I'm happy to get a point if we can, but if we can sneak it, how much sweeter would that be? Stick with us. I'm going to give you an away day from a slightly different perspective. Half-time whistle, and it is Manchester United 1, Wolverhampton Wanders 0, and on the balance of play, can't really argue with that. Wolves haven't really created anything. Man United have had 2 or 3 good opportunities, and the one they converted actually was from our mistake, and it was a tap-in really. It wasn't tap-in, he had to finish it, but he couldn't really miss. But I'm quite happy in some ways to be going in 1-0 down. Yeah, going to see if there's apparently got a cheese spread coming up now. Got to play better second half, need to move the ball faster, need to be a bit more adventurous and positive. Half time here at Old Trafford, 1-0 United. Second half is underway. Neto, who hasn't had a really good first half, is off. Wang Hee-chan is on. Let's see if that makes a bit of a difference. Stoppage in play at the moment. Lemina went in for attack, blocked it, and then he's gone down. United sportingly picked the ball out when they were on the attack, but he's still down. He's been down for about a couple of minutes. I hope he's okay. In play, 60th minute, substitution for Wolves. Kuna's come on, Cadence's on, Totti's come off, Bueno's come on. Wolves going to be going more attacking, I think, trying to get down them flanks. Still 1-0 United, but Wolves have started better in the second half. I think something like the 75th minute, and there comes Adama Traore on for Mario Lemina. Come on, Traore. 76 minutes, Raul Jimenez back onto the pitch for Wolves, still 1-0 United. Done well there. Yeah, just coming out of Old Trafford, obviously it's ended up 2-0 to United. Late goal, sealing it. Thank you ever so much to Genting for the hospitality, absolutely fantastic. It's good to know that Wolves will be back next year because we're staying up in the Premier League. United look like they're on the way to the Champions League, needed it today. Wolves didn't really nail a glove on them, really. Bit of pressure towards the end. The ball had dropped, maybe we could have got an equaliser, but we wouldn't have deserved it. But anyway, coming out of Old Trafford now. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Check the instant reaction and the international fan. Of course, we'll be doing the extra time as well.